natural health for beginners.
Are you ready to pamper your hands with the soothing and nourishing benefits of chamomile? In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to create your own luxurious chamomile hand cream using exact quantities. Perfect for combating dry, irritated skin, this DIY recipe is gentle, effective, and simple to make. Ingredients: a 1/4 cup chamomile-infused oil. Infuse chamomile flowers in a carrier oil like sweet almond or jojoba oil for 1 to 2 weeks or gently heat them for a quicker method. 2 tablespoons shea butter, known for its deeply moisturizing properties. 2 tablespoons cocoa butter, adds richness and creates a creamy consistency. 2 tablespoons beeswax, helps emulsify and thicken the cream while locking in moisture. 1/2 cup distilled water or chamomile tea, acts as the hydrating base for your cream. 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, acts as a natural preservative and enhances skin health. 5 to 10 drops chamomile essential oil, provides a calming scent and boosts skin-soothing benefits. Optional: 5 drops lavender essential oil, for additional relaxation and a light floral aroma. Tools needed: double boiler or heat-safe bowl over a pot of simmering water. Hand blender or whisk. Sterilized glass jar or container for storage. Instructions: melt the oils and waxes. In a double boiler, combine the chamomile-infused oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, and beeswax. Heat gently until completely melted. Prepare the water phase. Warm the distilled water or chamomile tea to match the temperature of the oil mixture. This step is crucial for proper emulsification. Blend. Slowly pour the warm water into the melted oils while blending with a hand blender or whisk. Continue blending until the mixture turns creamy and emulsifiers. Add vitamin E and essential oils. Once the cream cools slightly, add vitamin E oil and chamomile essential oil, and lavender essential oil if desired. Mix thoroughly. Transfer to container. Spoon the hand cream into your sterilized jar or container. Allow it to cool completely before sealing with a lid. Store. Keep the cream in a cool, dry place. Use within 2 to 3 months. Benefits of chamomile hand cream: soothes irritation. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties help calm redness and discomfort. Hydrates and softens. Shea butter, cocoa butter, and oils deeply nourish and protect dry skin. Natural and chemical-free. Made with wholesome, skin-friendly ingredients, this cream is perfect for sensitive hands. Try this DIY today. Making your own chamomile hand cream is not only rewarding but also allows you to customize your skincare routine with pure, natural ingredients. Watch the video for detailed tips and techniques, and let your hands enjoy the loving care they deserve. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.